Hello everybody, in the last video we spoke about online interactive Abacus crash course which I'm just going to show you now. This is our online interactive Abacus crash course. If you haven't watched the video yet, please watch it here. I speak about all the details about our Abacus crash course in this video. And also we have given up a form here in the description which is for the registration for the demo video. We are going to have a demo video where we'll give out all the details about the course and also the fees. We'll answer all your questions regarding the course. So please fill out this form. This is the form what I was talking about. It's called the 0 to Hero Abacus crash course for 6 months. Fill out all the details. So to your email ID we'll send out an invite for the meeting so that you can join and view the demo class. You can also ask any questions you have, or what are you expecting from the course in this what are your expectations question. So also look at some of the testimonials given by our users. We have got a lot of positive feedback from users. Please do watch it also. The registration form link will also be put in this video description below. Please click on it and fill the form if you are interested. Just a reminder that this is going to be a paid course, and please ignore if you have already filled the form and watched the video. Thank you so much for watching. Looking forward for your entries.